Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and today I'm going to be working in my Traveler's notebook. I've already made the page here and I'm going to be creating this background with you. It was really fun to make. I've used the most recent Lollipop Box Club Kit. I am the owner of the kits and I'm showing you today how I've been using the kit. And like I said, I'm making this almost like bubble effect background using paints and a secret ingredient. So that's very exciting. I will link up the kit for you below. And I will also link up the video of my sister skydiving as well, because that's what today's page is about, because she was very brave recently and jumped out of a plane for charity. I really hope that you enjoy this creative video today. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoy scrapbooking, traveler's notebooks, anything creative like that. It just helps me to know what kind of content you're enjoying the most. And I hope you enjoy. Thank you. So I would like to document this today inside my traveler's notebook, and I have got two photos here that I've just taken, and I'm going to be creating a really fun background. I'm going to use my traveler's notebook, but I'm going to create the background on this watercolour paper first. So I'm using a straw, and I've also got washing up liquid, and I've got some water. I think I'm going to use less water than that actually. So we're going to have washing up liquid, a little bit of water, whoa, and mix that in, and I need paint in there as well. Kaiser colour paint, let's add some of that, and we'll pop maybe some pink in there as well. Right, I haven't done this for a long time. Let's mix up the colours. Might need a bit more vibrant colour than that actually. I think it needs to be a bit darker. Turquoise, let's see how that looks. Mix that up, and now I haven't done this for so long. Let's move the photos out of the way. We're going to blow colourful bubbles and see how that looks. Right, the straw didn't work, so this is plan B. I found this is from a piping bag, and I'm just dipping it in slightly. It's dripping on the page and I'm quite happy with that, but you can just about see from the fairy liquid there, and I'm blowing it onto the page. It's bursting on the page, and then you've got all the splashes from when the bubble pops. I'm going to continue with that and fill the page and see what it looks like. It's going really well. I found that it really helps if you let it drip a bit before you blow it. It's creating some really cool effects. Make sure you've got an area that it doesn't matter if the paint splashes out. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm really happy, and I'm going to get my heat gun out. It's really nice having a combination of colours as well. I'm really happy with how these work together. While that's drying, I'm going to cut up a few bits and pieces, get them ready for the page. I do also like to use a paper towel quite a lot on my watercolours and just carefully dab it so I'm not spreading it. It just soaks up the excess paint. So I've dried off the paper, and I've now got a little bit of paint left in my pots, and I'm going to be creating some more circles. I've got water bottle top, I've got milk bottle top, and I've also got a lid from one of my inks. And again, you don't want too much paint on there because you end up with splodges. I am just going to do some circles, and they look like little bubbles. They look really sweet, and you can just put these on your paper as well. Doesn't matter if they're not perfect. I quite like how that one's imperfect there. It looks really nice and just adds to it. And you can just decorate your pages with these. Tip: by using bubble wrap, this gives you really good circles on your page. I've just added some ink, and then pressing it down gives you a really good effect on your paper. And there you have it, my very quick and easy painty background. So I've got bits and pieces from the July kit here. It's Under the Sea, and I'll link it up below, but it just goes to show that you do not need
a sea theme for the photos. I'm going to cut out some circles here, dot them about the page. I've got stickers, I've got these bits I've cut out from the postcard, and I've also got some die cut pieces. And that's what it looks like. I've cut some of the circles in half, and then you can pop them either side of the page. And that is the finished page. I'm really happy with that background. Everything else is just layered up, as you can see. Really happy with that.
So that's the finished page. I really hope that you've enjoyed this. It's such a fun way to create a background. You don't always need masses of papers. Let me know if you're going to attempt this too. Do you like making your own backgrounds? I find it really therapeutic. Sometimes I just make a whole load of backgrounds without even a page in mind. It's just nice sometimes to play, especially if you don't have loads of time. I sometimes lay my papers out, I get the paints out, and I leave them to dry. I might go back later and add some stamping, then go back, add some more flicks of paint. I love being able just to create in that way, and you don't need like a huge hour at a time. It is literally, you're walking past, you're adding something, leaving it to dry. It's a really fun way to create, and you end up with some really fab results as well. Let me know if you do that as well. I would love to know. And thank you so much for watching my video today. I will link the kit up below if you haven't got the kit. I'm so happy with this kit. They leave on the 17th of July. And there's just a handful of one-off kits left now. So there should still be some left when I post this video. The link is below for you. Thank you so much for watching. Really hope you've enjoyed this today. Please give me a thumbs up if you love creative videos too, if you would like to see more creative content. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new. And share as well. Sharing is so helpful to my channel. Please share my video with anyone that you think would enjoy it too. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Bye.